Just a short clip to show you my diesel heater install. Obviously I'm in its somewhat preliminary stages. This here used to be a door a long time ago. I'm currently in the bathroom. The bathroom's suffered from mould due to condensation. So effectively we're taking the gyprock wall out. It's not gyprock actually, it's less than plaster. We're taking that out. Expose the stonework and we'll clean that up. But underneath, where this pipe is, there's actually logs in the wall. There's another one still here. Logs, yes, wooden logs. So we'll get this all cleaned up. But this is eventually going to be a window seat. Obviously it'll be aerated. So I've taken a completely different approach. Here I have my hot air coming in to the room, and there I'm extracting air from the room. So that just runs through the blower, over the heat exchanger and back into the room. Exhaust heat recovery. This hole here is the exhaust coming into the house from outside. She runs along small copper radiator made in 22mm. However, I've given her two outflows, and that is due to exhaust back pressure. So we try to minimise exhaust back pressure. We shouldn't have an air issue to the combustion cycle, which would then clog up the burn chamber. I'm probably going to add a third across here, and I can either tap into the top one here. I mean, this gets hot, you can't touch it, and the bottom, so let it on a couple of minutes and that's already too hot to touch. The bottom, as you can see from the blackening, I've coated this with linseed oil. And what I want it to do is I want it to blacken, so it's better at emitting radiation. So the next point is, because this is a bathroom that suffers from damp issues, you can't see the pipe just yet. I need to get it extended. Right here, around the copper. That again has a 22mm pipe coming into it. That's the burner air intake. That's going to come into the room. And what this should do, because of the dampness in this bathroom, when we go for a shower, whatever, put the heater on, that should be drawing moist air out through the burner. In theory, it should give you, if there's damp air in there, it should give you a higher thermal mass. It should also help you hopefully burn better. At the same time, thinking water could be an issue in this radiator. Well, that's the whole point of these. If you notice, that's my exhaust coming in. It runs down on an angle. My exhaust outputs also run down an angle. But that said, this gets so hot down here that the water evaporates off anyway. So condensation isn't an issue at all, but it gets rid of it from the bathroom. It's literally drawing the air out through the burn cycle and spitting out my fabricated radiator / exhaust system. Now this does make it noisier because you have both the air intake and outflow in the room. However, the other benefit of that is that's pulling in warm air from the room. So it becomes more efficient, and more so if we use the thermostat, the thermometer on it, as you see. It will become more efficient because it's not using cold air from outside. Anyway, like I say, this is in preliminary build stages, getting everything in place ready, and then I've got it mounted properly outside, and I'll do a full video on the entire thing. Hi guys, thanks for listening, take care, or watching should I say. Take care, bye.